Tech roles like AI architects get the glory, but the desktop support engineer is the hero on the ground. Often called the computer support specialist, this role is the vital entry point for anyone looking to build a high-growth career without needing a 4-year degree. As digital dependency reaches an all-time high, these professionals ensure the physical and digital tools of commerce never stop moving. This role belongs to the IT operations and support domain. Currently, this sector faces a massive 39% skill shortage, making it one of the most stable and high-demand sectors in the global workforce. You are the bridge between complex infrastructure and the people who use it, ensuring business continuity in a world of constant digital transformation. Your mission is to analyze, troubleshoot, and evaluate computer problems. Daily functions include setting up workstations, installing software, and managing drivers and utilities. You'll handle local area networks, LANs, internet connectivity, and mobile device hardware. It's not just about fixing bugs. It's about maintaining the data integrity that keeps the organization secure. Your mission is to analyze, troubleshoot, and evaluate computer problems. Daily functions include setting up workstations, installing software, and managing drivers and utilities. You'll handle local area networks, LANs, internet connectivity, and mobile device hardware. It's not just about fixing bugs. It's about maintaining the data integrity that keeps the organization secure. Technical skills are the foundation, but soft skills are the differentiator. Communication is vital. You must translate tech speak into plain language for non-technical staff. Empathy and patience are essential when dealing with users frustrated by system failures, while creative problem-solving helps you find solutions when the manual doesn't have the answer. How do you start? The CompTIA Plus remains the industry gold standard for entry-level support, validating your hands-on skills in hardware and security. For a faster, non-degree route, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate is highly valued by hiring managers. If you're in a Microsoft-heavy environment, the Azure Administrator AZ-104 is your next step to move into higher-paying infrastructure roles. The demand for IT support is projected to grow faster than average through 2033. Starting as a desktop support engineer isn't just a job. It's a smart investment in a future where your skills will always be in demand. Grab your first certification and start your journey today. Like and subscribe for more tech career roadmaps.